This lesson introduces the HLOOKUP function, also known as the horizontal lookup in Excel. We see its similarity with the VLOOKUP function in terms of syntax, and we also see the difference in terms of looking up a table horizontally versus vertically. The function is illustrated using an example. The HLOOKUP function in Excel is very similar to the VLOOKUP function. The only difference is that the VLOOKUP looks up a table in a vertical manner, while an HLOOKUP looks up a table in a horizontal manner. The syntax are also very similar. The syntax of an HLOOKUP begins with a is equal to HLOOKUP, takes in 4 inputs, which are exactly the same as the VLOOKUP function. The only difference being that now instead of a column index number, we have a row index number, which indicates the number of the row which needs to be accessed in the lookup table. Let's again see this by way of an example. Let's open our spreadsheet, the file store sales. This file we had in an earlier lesson used to illustrate the VLOOKUP command, where we had recategorized the order priority into a priority star rating. So let's do that again, but now using the HLOOKUP command. I'll insert an empty column. Give it a name priority star rating. And then I'll insert a few more empty columns to put in my lookup table. Insert. I'll reduce the column widths. And put my lookup table. Low, medium, so these are the order priority values. High, critical, and not specified. And the corresponding star ratings are, I give a 3-star whenever the order is critical, a 2-star whenever it's high, and in all other cases a single star. So this is my lookup table. Notice this lookup table is organized in a horizontal fashion. Why? Because we'll be using an HLOOKUP command to look up this table. So let's put in the HLOOKUP command is equal to HLOOKUP, open parenthesis, what is my lookup value? I wish to look up the order priority, so I put the cell reference there, C2, comma, where is my lookup table? It's a horizontal lookup table. I select the entire table, and since I'll be copying and pasting this formula, I give a fixed referencing for the table by putting appropriate dollar signs. Row index number. So the HLOOKUP command will access this lookup table, would access the very first row and try to match the order priority. Whenever it finds a match, which particular row do I need to access? So I need to access the second row from there because my priority star ratings are given in the second row. So put a number 2 there, comma, and I want an exact match. I do not want an approximate match. So put a false there. Close parenthesis, enter. So notice the priority star rating when the order priority is low is a single star. I copy and paste it down. I get 2 stars for a high order priority. The same can be copied all the way down. So now I have implemented the priority star rating using an HLOOKUP command which looks up a table in a horizontal manner.